Coming live from the command center of the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Guys, it's picking up. So we're bringing about 70 watts right now at 12.1 volts on the battery and 5.9 amps coming in. So you see our VOCs are 58.1. I think we have a VOC about 88, and it drops it all the way down. It's converting the voltage now to amperage. I just want to show you, this is going to be part 4 of the video, how we charging the batteries. We discharge them to see the efficiency of the battery, how long we can able to run the television by itself on that little Duracell inverter. It's not an inverter charger, this is just an inverter, 400 watts. So guys, if you want to just stumble on these videos, I'll encourage you to go to part 1, starting from part 1 all the way. Check on my playlist and you will see a portable generator by JW Solar USA, or you can type that if you just stumble to one of these videos. I'll encourage you to go back and search it and to see part 1. So what I'm gonna do, due to curiosity with other people, and we can go to try and initialize the inverter to see if it can power on now at a voltage of 12.1 if we're not gonna have any fault light. Okay, stay tuned. 5, 4, 3, 2, lift up. See, it's bouncing back and forth. It's not even strong enough yet. Oh, now it's stable. There you go. So we already picked up the surge from the TV, and there you go. The TV just turned on. All right, guys, I ought to make sure and shut off the TV right away, because it was trying to power it up, and the capacitor tried to charge up to turn the TV on and the screen, and that's why it was bouncing. You see the lights was blinking, green, red, green, red, green, red, overload, like an overload or low voltage, and it started up right away. So that means we are good. Okay, but we don't have to watch television right now. We're gonna give chance to the batteries so that they can able to charge, get them fully charged. And as you guys know, or if you didn't know, AGM or lead acid battery or fluoride acid battery, if you take 20% of it, you have to replace approximately 25 to 30% back, because anytime you use them, you got to charge them all the way fully charged, or else it's going to start having desulfation build up on the cells, and battery degradation started happening. You're losing your life expectancy of your batteries. So what I've done yesterday, or what I did yesterday, is going to reduce the life expectancy of that battery. Took a chunk of it because I let the batteries go all the way down and shut off completely. And this has never been done. These batteries are brand new. They were given to me, and brand new, but I didn't do anything with them. If you want to see these batteries, you can go back to my grid-tied inverter limiter by JW Solar USA on my playlist, or you can Google it, grid-tied inverter limiter, or GTIL2 by JW Solar USA. You can see when I try and run them into a 48 volt, putting the batteries in series. And that's the time I started utilizing these batteries. I'm turn off the inverter, so I let these batteries charge now. So guys, this is the time I started utilizing the batteries. So now we're sitting at 12.1 volt from 11 volts. So we are already up there. So from 11 volts to 12, so we already have about what? The calculation. From 11 to 12. So I started filming that at 11.3 when they started charging. 0 watt and 0.4, 0.5. So half an amp. Half an amp was coming without no wattage. So this is what it is. I just want to show you guys, and this is how batteries, this is how you're supposed to take care of your batteries. But I decided to go the other route. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm not taking care of the batteries because I let them shut down yesterday and died. Because the reason why I just want to energize the batteries. Doesn't mean the batteries are mostly something to me. They are here for test, and I want to show you all the ridiculous tests or whatever option you want to go through, how you destroy your batteries easily. But I should have done it, but they are not a big deal to me. But anyway, like and subscribe, JW Solar USA. Stay tuned for part 5. Alright guys, we're charging, and this is the voltage that we get into today. And one thing about the PT-100, you can select here, you can lock your setting to what you want to see. If it's just the PV or the volt from the PV, the kilowatts, or the volt itself, or the amps, then you can lock it in by press and hold till it beeps. Then that means you lock into the setting that you want to be displayed, instead of it goes like circles, you know, keep on running around trying to show you all kind of stuff. All right, so you can lock it in into this and just see if you want to watch just the voltage or the amperage coming in, or the kilowatts, or the volts coming from the solar array. So this is how you do: press and hold the select button, and automatically it's gonna lock into the function that you like. So far so good. That's how we came in today. We end up getting up whatever we get in for the day. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope my videos make sense to you guys, or it turned out to be very helpful. If so, give it a like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more to come live from this channel, JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota Command Center. Bye for now. Alright guys, another session here. I'm gonna show you, we are now into the 14 volt. So this is the 14 volt. It's about supposed to go to 14.5, 14.6, and it drops. That's the absorb, and it drops to the 13.6 because these are still lead acid battery, just like kind of AGM like, no flooded acid battery. So this is how far we've gone today, and this is what it is. Like and subscribe. I'm just trying to show you how the batteries are replenishing from being zeroed out or discharged to zero. So we have to put more power and charge them all the way up. So I refuse to use the television on them today as charging these batteries. I want them to get charged because we don't have sun, and like I said, the panels are still buried with some, snow on them. So we got to do what we got to do. Can't reach them. They're way far away from me. I got to deal with that. So like and subscribe. As usual, JW Solar USA. Stay tuned for the end products of this series of videos. You can go through my playlist and see each series. Currently we're on absorption mode, and we're charging the batteries, and this is how far we've gone today charging these batteries. I gotta hook them up on the charger, the latter part of it now, because we lost the sun few hours ago. So I'm just charging them using my trickle charger, or my AGM slash SLA flooded acid battery is a VMAX tank. VMAX tank. That's what it's called. VMAX tank charger is 1220. So it's charging the batteries right now. And this is all we're doing right now from the JW Solar USA to bring these batteries fully charged. And the sun comes out tomorrow, whatever, they can be on a trickle charge and we can get them running again. As we're not going to pull much power. Depends if I'm going to be watching TV or anything. But this is how it's going to end up. We're not going to lose all the power. So like I said, I energize the batteries, bring them all the way down, and bringing them all the way up is going to take time. Okay? All right. Like and subscribe.